Missing your must-have Chrome extensions after the latest update? Let's fix that. Fast. So Chrome 142 dropped support for Manifest v2 extensions. Ouch. But there's still a backdoor. For now. First, locate your Chrome shortcut, the icon you click to open Chrome. Right-click it, select Properties, and focus on the target field. At the end of that line, add this magic phrase. Disable features. Extension, Manifest v2 unsupported. Extension, Manifest v2 disabled. Or try the longer version if you're feeling adventurous. Click Apply, then OK, and relaunch Chrome using that shortcut. Now, to load your extension, download its source code, usually as a zip. Unzip it to a folder. Go to Chrome, Dodge Extensions, turn on Developer Mode, hit Load Unpacked, and point to your folder. Bam! Your old extension lives again. But here's the catch. Google is shutting this loophole soon. If your extension hasn't moved to Manifest v3, consider switching browsers or urging the developer to update.